After choosing a theme and installing it on your store, now you want to customize the theme for a suitable website, right? Click on Customize button to do this. You will be taken to a drag and drop homepage editor after clicking it. You should check all sections of the theme to see how far you can customize this theme or try other theme. When doing that, you see all available sections that you can use. And don't forget to make sure this list contains everything you need to do for your store. Now you can use tools available in Theme Editor to customize your homepage. You can change layout, add section, upload image and video, and so much more. Browse this theme to see what you can change. You see there are many sections here, and you want to add more sections. Click on Add Section. Now you see there's many sections from feature collection, feature products, collection list, rich text, image with text, and more. Let's focus on the template here. The template are the page in your theme editor that you can customize to make your store a consistent look and feel. To access template, open the drop-down menu and click each option to load that template. You see many templates right here, including homepage, product, collections, and so on. For example, I choose product here, and now you can change rich text, image, price, quantity, and even buy button. Scroll down and you can change the image banner. Okay, now back to the homepage. Guys, you can introduce your brand in the heading section here. For example, we are Magines, a leading e-commerce and digital transformation agency in APAC region. Okay, right. Browsing this theme, you see that you can add your picture here. Click on Select an image and choose your picture. Moving on to the theme setting, just click on this. Then you can change logo, color, typography, layout, button, variant pill, input, cart, and more. I provide you with some tips for choosing a color. First thing first, you need to understand how color influence people's emotion. Like red make people feel hungry, yellow suggests safety, and purple can have a royal quality to it. And you can use contrasts to make important website features like button stand out more. If you cycle through different color palette, Cooler is a great tool to find color you like and their related hex code. But maybe you're not sure which color to choose. Go with your first instinct to keep it simple and stick to a basic black and white color combination. Alright, now we go through some tips for choosing typography. It's the best to use 2 or 3 fonts across your website for a consistent look. So when choosing a font for your website, be sure to select one that's easy for visitors to read. And a great way to experiment this with different font pairing is using a tool like FontJoy. When you are satisfied with your change, hit Save button. Now you save your theme, and don't forget to preview your changes in real time to see how they look in your website. By personalizing your homepage, you can make your store more appealing and professional, which can attract more customers and increase conversion. Next, we'll discuss how to set up payment for your Shopify store.